How to remove any document from list on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove any document from a list on Excel easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now choose the document that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I want to remove it from my list. Click here and click on remove from list, and it will be automatically removed from my list. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.